Hello, my name is Providence Omare. I am a member of the group B semester 115, which is made up of 3 members. The members include I, Providence Omare, Ryan Dishon Samuel, and Tan Trang Tran, whom are members of the group. We aim to get a credit score and a high distinction score respectively. Yes, and during our encounter as a group, we were able to conduct one meeting, and in that meeting it was all about discussing and planning on what activities we're going to do during the sprint planning. So during the sprint planning, we were able to settle on having on each of us having a role to play. So we divided the role into three roles, which I will show you on our Trello workspace. We had during that time after the meeting, we had several discussion forums as a group where we were able to share our ideas and files. Through this, we had to make a little bit of adjustments, and that was it. So in our project planning, we were settled down for the project software called Trello. So what's Trello? Trello is a simple and easy to use collaboration tool that enables you to organize projects and everything related to them into boards. In our project, we were able to use this project software to divide and allocate different tasks. In the following slide, I will be able to show you how we organized our workspace. We organized our workspace into several lists. So we had a task list. This task list is where we assigned everyone into different roles like design and development. I was assigned to that, testing and delivery, and security and audit system, which was assigned to Ryan, and testing was assigned to Tran. So issues we encountered during our first sprint was time and sometimes communication, but over the period we were able to resolve them. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.
Hi there, I'm Ram Samuel. I'm here. My team wanted me to speak about the features of the project we created as a team. So one main feature was we created a login portal with two-factor authentication. So more explaining this two-factor authentication is we gave each person that wanted had to log in or had the credentials or authentication to log into the system. We gave each person a password generator. So what this password generator did is once they put in their username and their specific password, to get into the system they had to press the password button. There's a button on the password generator. Press the generator and to generate a specific a unique password for that moment, which expires around 10 to 15 seconds. So they have to put that password into the system, which then only it would give access into the system. And also we used an advanced database software When talking about this database software, we wanted to have an extra step from where this business was, what this they were using a spreadsheet. We wanted to use a more advanced database. So in this database, we could sort all the assets according to what they wanted. We planned with the board of directors. We planned, okay, we'll sort all the assets according to the availability. And then this specific advanced database software had a search feature. This search feature would help any person in the organization, whether the manager or anyone who gets into the system, to search what they specifically need and not go around finding for something else, and not being able to get into what they need. So, and this database also runs on SQL queries, which made it easy for us and easy for the business, the person, the customers using this, because as SQL queries can be coded on. So if they want a specific thing, if they wanted, okay, I want, when I press this button, I want all the availabilities, all the assets that are available. So we could program that button, because it's a SQL query under that button, to export or to show all the available assets at that specific time. So moving on from that, in the next slide, also have also features of the project. We as we spoke to all the people or the directors and got each asset fitted with the GPS tracker. This GPS tracker helped us a lot and would also help the business in future, because this GPS tracker shows the real-time location of the asset. This real-time location gives up a lot of information. It shows where it is, how far it is from the base location, and whether it's available, and various stuff. So the GPS tracker was a complex process, but we made it happen with the help of the business directors. And lastly, and not least, we maintain a backend. So this backend stores all the information and isolates whatever the data we have from the front end. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I will continue the presentation. My topic is talk about the user story, the story point, and communication interval. About the user story, I get from customer, employee, and manager story. So about the customer, they want a message sent to their phone that we get, so they can know the status of their access about, and they want to check weekly if an item in the store, and update is if necessary. About the employee, they want a password and account so they can protect the company database and their account from any security breach. About manager, they want specific people can train the success rate, keep the access skill, and minimize the human error. Before going to story part, going to the definition of point, I get 1 to 5 point, and perform will be from which our learning skill to advanced technical skill and knowledge, and the task will be from less complexity to be considered complex, and estimation time will increase in each task. 4 point and 5 point, we have the third party is necessary for support. First story point is the login. We have 3 point, login pay, and log out. It is 3 point because it need verification of the user credential to log in. The second story point is the user and asset profile. Because I set the item information by database, and classify the item by code, by item code, item type, status, or name a customer. The third point is the story point is the message notification. The system send a notification about the asset information customer to customer. Um, this we just decide and let the system do that. The last story point is security is the most important because it keeps the secret customer information and the access. So about the communication and teamwork. So about communication, we most of the time we chat on the Microsoft team. We have we because we have one person learn on cloud and two people learn on campus. So we have one meeting with the person who learn on cloud, and me and Brian have many meeting on at the university. So we all we very sure with this about the teamwork. I think they work very effective. They submit me the file, the summary, the repression on time, and about the presentation. Yeah, it will be on time. I very pleased so. So that is my presentation. That's my representation. Thank you for listening.